What can I do for you?
Do I have to go to the guild to do this every time? Okay, so I'm just gonna switch to everything.
Hmm?
No, I have to become a fledgling every time. Fuck. All right. I'm sure this is fine. I got this. What is it? Just shoot a few arrows.
There.
Watch this. Yeah. And then. That honestly seems pretty good.
There. There.
But this is actually kind of good. Wait, what? Wait a minute. Hold up. What do you mean? I'm not Virgil. That's me.
Good to see you. Okay. Later.
Yeah, I don't need it. Do we skip it or do we do it? I mean, I guess not. We'll see what. Let's see. We'll see how much it has. If it's literally just a tutorial, then yeah, I'll just skip it from now on. Also.